Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In today's video, we are going to take up another very interesting and challenging question from radical mathematics. X is given to us 6th root of 5 plus 16 over square root 5 minus 1. Then it is said to find out x power 11. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to e. Now I will begin with rationalizing denominator. So I need to multiply the denominator's conjugate in the denominator and in the numerator. Now you can see in the denominator we are having one specific algebraic form a minus b times a plus b. So we can use difference of two squares formula. 6th root of 5 plus 16 times square root 5 plus 1 over square root 5 whole square minus 1 whole square will be equal to 6th root of 5 plus 16 times square root 5 plus 1 over root and square will be over. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we can cancel numerator 16 by denominator 4 we will get 4. So we can write 6th root of 5 plus 4 times square root 5 plus 1. Or we can simplify 6th root of 5 plus 4 root 5 plus 4. So we will get 6th root of 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 4 root 5. So our x will be equal to 6th root of 9 plus 4 square root 5. Now we have to evaluate x power 11. Let's calculate. So I will write our expression e equal to x power 11, where x is 6th root of 9 plus 4 root 5. So if I will put the value here, then I will get 9 plus 4 square root 5 whole power 1 over 6 and then complete power 11. Now a power b whole power c, we can multiply both the powers. So we can write a power b times c. So I can write here 9 plus 4 root 5 and power will be 11 over 6. Now 11 over 6, I can write this is equal to 2 minus 1 over 6. So 12 minus 1 is 11, which is numerator. Denominator will be flat 6. So in place of 11 over 6, we will write 9 plus 4 root 5 as it is. 2 minus 1 over 6. Now using exponent law, a power b minus c, we can write a power b over a power c. Let's apply. I will write 9 plus 4 square root 5 whole square, and in denominator we will be writing 6th root of or power 1 by 6 4 root 5. Now this is our required expression. I will consider numerator equal to a. Let me call this is a and denominator I will call b. So we will calculate numerator and denominator separately. So let's begin with numerator itself. I can write a will be equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square. So we can apply a plus b whole square formula here. We will be writing 9 square plus 4 root 5 whole square plus 2 times 9 times 4 root 5. This will give us 81 plus 16 times 5, 80 plus 2 times 9, 18, 18 times 4, 72, square root 5. So this addition will give us 161 plus 72 square root 5. This is the value of our numerator. Now we will calculate b, the denominator. This is 6th root of 9 plus 4 root 5. So I can split power 1 over 6 as I will write cube root of and then square root of 9 plus 4 square root 5. Using exponent identity, a power b whole power c equal to a power bc. So we will consider a power 1 over 6 as a power 1 over 2 times 1 over 3. Now we can write a power 1 over 2 and then whole power 1 over 3. Let us calculate this square root. So I will write b value equal to cube root of square root of 9 plus 4 square root 5. Now I will write cube root of square root of 9, we can split 5 plus 4 and then we have 4 root 5. Again we can write cube root of square root of 5 can be written as square root 5 whole square. 4 can be written as 2 whole square. And then we can write 4 root 5 as 2 times root 5 times 2. So here we have one algebraic formula. If I will write a equal to root 5, so this is a square, b equal to 2, so this is b square plus 2 times ab. So instead of writing this, I can write a plus b whole square, which will be equal to root 5 plus 2 whole square. So cube root of square root of square root 5 plus 2 whole square. Now square root and square will be over. We will get b equal to cube root of square root 5 plus 2. This is b. Now I will consider cubing both sides. I will write here b equal to cube root of square root 5 plus 2. Let's consider power 3 both sides. So I will write here power 3, power 3. So cube root and cube will be over from RHS. We will get b cube equal to square root 5 plus 2. Now I will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. I need to multiply both sides by 8. So I will write 8b cube equal to 8 square root 5 plus 8 times 2, 16. Now 8 is 2 cube, so I can write 2b whole cube as our LHS. Right hand side we will split 8 root 5 as 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5. And 16 we will write 1 plus 15. Let's rearrange RHS. I will write 5 root 5 plus 1 plus 15 plus 3 root 5. Now 5 root 5 is square root 5 whole cube. 1 we can write 1 whole cube. 15 we can write 3 times root 5 whole square times 1. So 3 times root 5 square is 5. So it will be 15 plus 3 times root 5 times 1 square. If I will write one algebraic formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, then in RHS we can write a plus b whole cube, where a is square root 5, b is 1. So we will write 2b whole cube equal to square root 5 plus 1 whole cube. Let me write here 2b whole cube equal to square root 5 plus 1 whole cube. Now I will take cube root both sides for the real value of b. We will get 2b equal to square root 5 plus 1. Now I will divide both sides by 2. We will get b equal to square root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now b is also known, our denominator. Our expression was a over b. A was 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square. This we have already calculated. And denominator was 6th root of 9 plus 4 root 5. Let's put the values of a and b. We will get expression e equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square was 161 plus 72 square root 5 over b is written here square root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now I will take this denominator 2 in the numerator and we will write 161 plus 72 square root 5 numerator and denominator is root 5 plus 1. Again I will rationalize our denominator root 5 plus 1. So we need to multiply root 5 minus 1 in the denominator and in the numerator. So in denominator we will get root 5 square minus 1 square. So this value will be 4. I will write expression e equal to 2 times 161 plus 72 root 5 times root 5 minus 1. Now we will cancel 2 and 4, so denominator will be 2. Let's expand, multiply both the brackets. I will write 161 square root 5 minus 161 plus 360 minus 72 square root 5 divided by 2. So we will get our final answer for this question will be 89 square root 5, 161 root 5 minus 72 root 5. Now 360 minus 161 will give us minus 199 and denominator is 2. Let me write our answer here. E equal to 89 root 5 minus 199 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.